Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to auto reply email in Gmail on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, and after just go ahead to your Gmail application like this. Now go ahead to this three lines icon at the top left in the corner of your screen. After scroll it down, we'll find that this settings option. Just go ahead, and now in this settings you just have to choose the Gmail account that you wanna activate or to enable it for to auto replay. For example, I'm gonna open my third Gmail account. Now scroll it down until we'll find here the option which is vacation responder. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now just tap on the toggle beside the vacation responder like this, and now here at the bottom you can set and fill in the date range. Maybe I'm gonna set it for 26 November for the last day. I'm gonna set it for the 3 December, and after here you can add for the subject and for the message, guys. Also here you can activate for send only to my contact. Just tap on this square beside it if you wanna only send it to your contact, and if you're done you just have to tap on this done button at the top right. So yeah guys, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.